أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 22 to 25 inshallah. First I'll recite this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون. أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون. إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين. إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah now let's learn the tajweed rulings of this ayah. First is ayah number 22. وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون. Okay. وما لي لا وما لي. Wow for one haraka, meme stretch for 2 count. وما لي La. This lam alif la can be stretched either for 2 haraka or for 4 haraka because this mad al jayz mufasil, the mad which is due to hamza, where huruf al mad and hamza are separated. Okay, it is a permissible mad. Minimum is 2 haraka and the maximum is 4 or 5 haraka. وَمَا لِيَ لَا أَعْبُدُ. Hamza and Ain must be clear because both the letters are throat letters, right? So whenever Ain comes with Hamza, it will be a bit difficult for you to make Ain clear, but still you should try it. Okay, don't recite Abudu. Abudu is wrong. A'budu. Ain must be clear because this word itself is made up of these 3 letters. The root word is abad. Okay, Ain badal, it must be clear. A'budulladhi. This dal is connected to lam of the word alladhi. Hamzatul wasl is not read. A'budulladhi. The, not z. Okay, this is a major mistake. If you convert this dal to z with the buzzing sound, then the word will become meaningless. A'budulladhi. 2 count. A'budulladhi fatarani. Fa light, to and ra heavy, then noon is light. Fatarani. And I have noticed that whenever you are reciting heavy letters and if there is any light letter with it, you make that light letter also heavy. You should not do that. To make this to heavy, you should not make fa heavy like fo to, fo. This is wrong. You'll just have to make the heavy letters heavy. Fine. Fatarani. Wa ilayhi. Not wa ilahi. La is wrong. Wa ilayhi turja'un. Tur. Ra sakin is heavy. Tur. Not tur. And also I've seen sisters making qalqala here. Don't do qalqala. It is not turja'un. Tur. Not tur. Turja'un. fine. Ain must be clear, and you can stretch this waw maddiya here for 2, 4 or 6 count according to the ruling of mad al-arid lis-sukun. Okay. وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن أأتخذ. Pronounce both the hamzas clearly. Don't just say attakhidhu. There are two hamzas, right? Attakhidhu. This kha. One second. Alhamdulillah. Okay, this kha must be little heavy. It is not khi. Little heavy, okay? Because this is huruf al-musta'aliya. Attakhidhu. No buzzing sound in this letter zal. You have to be very clear about this letter. It should not sound attakhizu. Zu is wrong, okay? Attakhizu min dunihi. Noon sakin is followed by dal. You have to do ikhfa here. Min dunihi. 2 count gunna. Min dunihi. Okay. This is mad al sila kubra, which is also called as, which is similar to mad al jaiz mufasil, but it is called as mad al sila kubra due to a grammatical ruling, that is mainly due to this high dhamir, the ha which is used to indicate a third person, the male third person. That is why let's stick to the tajweed ruling instead of being more grammatical. This is actually called as mad al sila kubra, where the standing kasra is followed by hamza in a separate word. Standing kasra is considered as madul asli, right? So you can just treat this similar to madul jaiz mufasil, where you can stretch this either for 2 count or 4 count, inshallah. Min dunihi alihatan. Hamza for 2 haraka. Alihatan. And this tanween in this letter ta is pronounced with izhar. Izhar means pronouncing noon sakin or tanween clearly without holding its sound in nasal cavity. You cannot say alihatan. This is wrong. Just izhar. Alihatan in. Okay. Alihatan in yuridni. Okay, noon sakin is followed by ya. Here you'll have to do idgham ma'al gunna, 2 haraka gunna, in this way. The sound should be in your nasal cavity. Okay. In yuridni rahmanu. Okay. In yurid, this noon is now connected to ra of the word ar-rahmanu. In yuridni rahmanu. Pronounce ra correctly, make it heavy, and also you'll have to apply that trilling sifat of ra at least a little. Don't exaggerate, and also don't completely remove it like in yuridni rahmanu. Rahmanu is wrong. Rahmanu, ra. The trilling must be very little, and it should be there because it is a sifat which should be in a moderate pace, not so much and also not very less. In yuridni rahmanu. In yuridni rahmanu. This has very sharp. Nirrahmanu bi durrin. Bi du. This is not a zo or the. It is dod from the sides of your tongue. Okay. Yuridni rahmanu bi durrillah. Okay. Now here tanween is followed by lam, so you have to not pronounce tanween. It will just get completely merged in lam, so you cannot say bidurrin la. Rin, that noon should not be there. Bidurril, directly connected to lam. Bidurril la tughni anni. La, 2 haraka. Tughni, no qalqala on ghain. Don't say tughni. Tughni is wrong. And also don't pronounce this like G. Okay, many sisters are pronouncing it like G in the word God. How you say? Ga, ga, right? In the same way, don't say tugni. Tugni is wrong. Tughni, tughni. Okay. Anni, ain is clear. Anni, two haraka. Gunna on this noon mushaddad. تغني عني شفاعتهم شفاعتهم Ain must be clear. Don't convert that to Hamza. The word will become meaningless if you say shafa'atuhum. It is not shafa'atu, it is shafa'atu. Okay. شفاعتهم شيئا, and no gunna on meme here because it is izhar ash-shafawi. It is not shafa'atuhum. It is wrong. Shafa'atuhum shay'an, just izhar. Shay'an, not shay. We say shay. Shay is wrong. Shay. Shay'an. Tanween is followed by waw, idgham again, that is with gunna. Shay'an wala. Shay'an wa. See how I'm holding the sound of that tanween in nasal cavity for two haraka. Shay'an wa. Shay'an wala. Wala. Lam for two count inshallah. شيئا ولا ينقذون. ينقي غنى here by hiding it, إخفاء. ينقي, and this qaf should not sound like khi, khi. This scratching the throat kind of sound should not be there in qaf. Okay. ينقذون, and no buzzing sound in this letter dal. You can stretch this waw madya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka inshallah. أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون. إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين. إني. Okay, here nun mushaddad 2 count gunna. Alhamdulillah, after that you'll have to stretch this ya madiyya for 2 haraka or for 4 haraka. Okay, it is up to you. This is madal jaiz mufasil. Ya madiyya is followed by hamza in a separate word. Okay, stretch it either for 2 haraka or 4, but you'll have to decide this in the beginning of the recitation. If here in the first number 22, if you stretch it for 2 haraka, then everywhere, here, everywhere you have to stretch it for 2 haraka only. But in the beginning, if you make it 4, then even here you have to make it 4. Inni idhan tanween, right? And also there should be no buzzing sound in this letter dal, idhan. But this tanween, the noon sakin which is in the second haraka of this tanween, is now completely getting merged in lam in a way that that tanween will be cancelled. We'll recite this with tajdeed. Idhal, not idhan, idhal, lam directly. Okay. Idhal lafi, fa for 2 count. Dalalin, da. See, it must be heavy. If you make it light, it will sound like dal, and you have to use the sides of your tongue. Okay, edges of your tongue. If this is your tongue, then you have to use these edges of both the sides or just one side. Use the edges of your tongue. Dalalin. Okay. Dalalin mubin. Tanween is followed by meme. Idgham with 2 haraka gunna. Dalalim mubin. Inni idhan lafi dalalim mubin. Inni amantu bi rabbikum fasma'un. mushaddad 2 haraka gunna, and again here just like here there is madal jaiz munfasil where ya maddiya is followed by hamza in a separate word, either stretched for 2 or 4 count. But noon mushaddad must be pronounced with 2 haraka gunna. Nasalization is compulsory. Okay, inni amantu, a 2 count, noon sakin followed by ta, you have to apply the ruling of ikhfa, hiding noon sakin in nasal cavity for 2 count. Amantu, amantu. Okay, amantu bi rabbikum, bi rabbikum, ra is heavy, bi rabbikum, mim sakin no gunna, just pronounce with izhar, that is izhar shafawi, bi rabbikum fasma'un. Fa is connected to seen, this hamzatul wasl is not read. Fasma'un, ain is, I mean, you have to pronounce it clearly. It should not sound fasma'un. It is fasma'un. Stretch it either for 2, 4 or 6 haraka. Inni amantu bi rabbikum fasma'un. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning these ayahs, and all the ayahs were very easy. The rulings are simple, and we completed it little soon today. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. I hope you all understood it very well. So now inshallah let's recite these ayahs for many times. Okay, I'm going to turn your mics on. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
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 أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن.
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن.
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن.
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة
إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني. بضر لا تغن عني. بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم. لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا.
لا تغني عني شفاعتهم
شيئا ولا ينقذون
شيئا
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن
أتخذوا من دونه آلهة يردني الرحمن
إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني
يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغني عني شفاعتهم
لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون
لا تغني عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون Alhamdulillah, Barakallah Feekum. You all have completed reciting this very well, mashallah. So, inshallah, you'll recite in this way tomorrow. And few mistakes which I noticed while you were reciting is first is here. It is not attakhidhu. Don't stretch this. It is just one haraka. Attakhidhu min dunihi. Okay. And turja'un. No qalqala on ra sakina. فطرني طا and ra, only these two letters must be heavy, rest of the letters will be light. فطرني. Okay, and this is a long ayah with no stopping signs. You can stop it anywhere, but you have to go minimum 2 words back to pronounce. Okay, if you stop here, then you'll have to apply the ruling of ta marbuta min dunihi aliha. This ta will convert to ha, but you'll have to go again back wherever you stop applying the waqf ruling, and you'll have to recite from minimum 2 words back. Okay, inshallah. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can just unmute your mics and ask me. No doubts? Okay, so let's end the meeting now, inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera, sister.
Wa antum fa jazakumullahu khairan.